Welcome to Trading Nation. I'm Mike Santoli. Cloud stocks flying high on Tuesday after Adobe gave a positive 2019 outlook. The group already soaring this year. Check out Adobe and peers like Salesforce and Workday, all up double digits since January. So is the sky the limit for these cloud stocks? Gina Sanchez is with Chantico Global. Todd Gordon with TradingAnalysis.com. Talk a little bit about that. Todd, just give us a glimpse of Adobe at this point. Really has become kind of the bellwether in the group, and as I like to say, maybe the third A in FANG.
Yeah, absolutely. That FANG is getting longer and longer, isn't it? Yeah, it sure is, Michael. It's a really nice looking chart. And if we go back just about the summer of 17, so it's about a 14-month chart, a very, very nice, symmetrical, rhythmical, very logical uptrend support. Don't switch the chart on me here. I just want to get rid of what I just drew. But what I want to show you, Michael, is on the approach to that uptrend line, you can see the candle formation. What I'm going to do is kind of draw it for you here. Candlestick is a very important piece of technical, what we use as technicians. It gives you 4 levels. It gives you the open of a certain price, and this is a weekly. It gives you the close, it gives you the high, and it gives you the low. What happened here is we tried to break through these last 2 weeks and close below, but you can see the body of the candle is right about here. It held its neck above support, so you could say that we tried to sell, couldn't do it, eventually recovered, and I think it is technically supported here. So those 2 candles closed above the support line. So as we get off the weekly, then go down to the daily, there's that same trend line we brought over. And what you can see here is that's that action I just described on the weekly candles. I think what we're looking at here is you're looking at support, it broke through. This is the key line right here, just about 260. This is the pivot in the chart. So if you can break up through 260, that's going to confirm what we saw on the weekly. And provided the NASDAQ stabilizes, Adobe should continue to move higher.
All right, Gina, how would you approach this group? I mean, nobody really denies how huge and long-lasting the trend is toward cloud services. The question is, what do you pay for any of the individual bellwethers?
Yeah, I mean, I think that's the bigger question, and obviously the NASDAQ has been facing real issues and real tests over the last several trading sessions, and I don't think that's going to stop. Adobe has probably the best fundamentals. From a fundamental point of view, I think Adobe is probably going to be a clear winner, but I don't think this is one unified group. If you look at Salesforce, for example, we think that Salesforce is actually significantly overvalued given where they are and the story that they have kind of going forward. Adobe is a different story. Adobe is seeing solid growth. It is seeing continued subscriber growth and growth in all of the right places. And their investment is really in R&D in making sort of the next big thing. So from that perspective, the fundamentals are great. The bigger question is, where is the market going to set forward expectations for pricing and valuations? That could be maybe the one fly in this ointment, but I do actually think that from a fundamental perspective, this is a solid stock.
Yeah, especially with the giants of tech all looking to get bigger in this very area with all these companies competing. Todd and Gina, thank you for joining us today. And thank you for watching Trading Nation. I'm Mike Santoli. We'll see you next time.